For the first part of his life, the majority of his life was just a normal human being living in Makkah. At that time, Makkah was not what it is today. Makkah was, subhanallah, a place nobody really wanted to go. They would only end up there for trade or just for a pilgrimage, honoring the ancient religion of the Prophet Abraham. So the Prophet ﷺ was first given revelation when he was 40 years old. From that moment onwards until his last breath, it was a total of 23 years. So inshallah we'll try to summarize those 23 years and some key points of his first 40 years as well.